Lecture number 25. In this lecture we are going to see graphs and tree. First we'll start with trees. Now what is tree? For that purpose we'll take one set. Let a relation T on a set A, V0, V1, V2, V3 to Vn is said to be a tree if there is a unique path V0 to Vk. This Vk may be anything. All number belongs to C1 to n tak, matlab natural number. But no path from V0 to V0. That means what? In previously we have seen a digraph, right? So digraph may we have a length, we have path like this 1 to 4, 1 to 3 as well as 3 to 3. But in tree we don't have such a path. We have V0 to V1, V0 to V3, V1, V0 to V2. See, only single root is there. Only single path is there. Okay, so this type of structure will called a tree. So again we'll repeat. What is tree? A relation on a set. A relation on a set is said to be a tree if there is unique path V0 to Vk and all k belongs to natural number but no path between V0 to V0. So now we have some properties of tree. 5. First is root. So what is root? The initial vertex. Vertex means this nodes V0, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7 to V11 tak. So this V0 to V11 will call this as vertex. Will call this as what? Vertex. And how many vertex is there? V0 se leke V11 tak. So that means total number of vertex is given on a tree is 12. And root is what? The initial vertex. Initial vertex. So initial vertex is V0. So V0 is root over here. Okay, so this is root, or we can say this is parent, this is sibling, and these all are offspring. So total number of ages. Now we'll see total number of ages. Total number of ages means what? Vertex to vertex kitna line join hai? Vertex to vertex how many lines are joined? So V0 to V1 1, V0 to V2 2, V0 to V3 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So path length is number of edges between vertex, and that is what? 11. So always keep in mind, if total number of vertices are 12, then the path length will be less than 1, 11. If total number of vertices is 11, so path length will be 10. Now total number of edges. One small error. Total number of edges are 11. Total number of edges are 11. If total number of vertices are 12, then total number of edges are 11. And the path length is what? The distance between two vertices. That means V0 to V1. So how many edges there? 1. Only 1. So V0 to V1 path length is 1. Number of edges between vertex. Sorry. Now path length between V0 to V10. V0 to V10. Path length will be what? V0 to V10. V0 to V3 1, V3 to V10 2. So path length between V0 to V10 is 2. So path length is what? Number of edges between vertex. Okay, so root is what? The initial vertex. Initial vertex is V0. Total number of vertices are V0 से V11 12. Path length is number of edges between vertex. So V0 to V4 कितना है? 1 2. Likewise V0 to V6 कितना है? 1 2 3. Now number of edges. Number of edges मतलब ये complete edge कितना है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So number of edges are 11. Now height of tree. To determine height of tree, we'll see first level of tree. So initial where root is present, this level will call level 0. Now next from V0 से कितना edges निकलता है? 3. So वो जो level है, this level, ये level को बोलेंगे level 1. Now V1 V2 V3 के बाद next level this one, so this is level 2 and last this one, so this is level 3. So level 3 is there, that means height of tree is 3. So height of tree is what? Number of level. Question will arise. So you will be having one tree, you have to calculate root, number of vertices, path length, total number of edges and height of tree. Okay, and next type we have to see types of tree. Okay, so next type of example will be what? Identify types of tree. And third type of example, we have to draw a tree. Okay, so we'll see now second type. Second type is what? Type of tree. Now V0 to V1 V2 V3. Here V0 to V1 V2 and again separation V1 to V4 V1 to V3. Now third one V0 to V1 and V1 then separation is rise. So first we have level 0 से level 1 तक 3 vertices are there. So if 3 vertices is there, then this type of tree will called complete 3 tree. Now next V0 to V1, only level 1 0 से level 1 तक 2 vertices are there and then separation. So this type of tree will called binary tree. Now third one, level 1 and level 0 से level 1 तक only 1 vertices and then separation. This type of tree will called 2 tree. Called 2 tree but not binary. There is difference between binary and 2 tree. 2 tree is what? V0 V1 then separation. Binary is what? V0 then separation and number of separation is only 2. 3 tree मतलब number of separation पहले क्या है? 3. Okay. So based on these 2 types, I'll give you one example to solve, and third type we'll see in the next lecture. So solve this sum based on the lecture. A, B, C. 3 trees are there. You have to identify types of tree.